All right, so let's look at all the odd numbered questions. So I would have taken my 4 and my 2 and I would have multiplied and got 8. I would have taken my A and my A and A to the 1 plus 4. And then I would have taken my B and my B, so B to the 2 plus 1. And then I would have taken my C, so that's C to the 3rd plus to the 5th power. So this is A, 8A to the 5th power, B cubed, C to the 8th. All right, now, oh my goodness. Okay, so take the 2 first. Let's take the 2 to everybody. So this would have been x to the 8th power, y to the 6th, z to the 12th. Then I would have taken my, should change the color, taken my squared here to everybody. So then I would have had 2 squared, x to the 4th, y to the 4th. And then that's everybody to the 4th power. So then I would have taken everybody to the 4th power. So I would have had x to the 8th, y to the 6th, z to the 12th. Then I would have had 2 to the 2 times 4, which is 8. Just kidding. X to the 4 times 4, which is 16. Y to the 4 times 4, which is 16 also. So then I would have had 2 to the 8th, which is 2 to the 4th times 2 to the 4th, which is 16 times 16, which is 256. I try to get everything down to like perfect squares because that makes it easier for me. So 256. Then I would take my x to the 8th and my x to the 16th, and I'd add those together. So that's x to the 24th power. And then I have a y to the 6th and a y to the 16th, which is to the 22nd power. And then I would have a z to the 12th. Okay. And then here, a to the 0 power is 1. And then these are negative exponents. So this would have been 1 over b squared c. And then here, my a to the 0 power cancels out. So I would have been left with a to the 4th, a to the 9th. A to the 1 time, that's a to the 1st power. This would have been a to the 4th power. And a to the 9th power. And then everybody cancels out, so I would have been left with 1. And then 9, I would have reduced 22 and 11, got negative 2. And then I would have had a to the 2nd and a, so that's a to the 2 minus 1. And then I would have had my b, so b to the 5 minus 1. And then I would have had my c, which is c to the 7 minus 2. So then I would have gotten negative 2, a, b to the 4th, and c to the 5th power. 11. So r to the negative 5th power, that would have been, so negative r to the 5th power, s to the 8th power over r to the 5th power, s squared. So then my r to the 5th powers cancel out. I'm left with negative s to the 8 minus 2, so negative s to the 6th power. 27 and 15 reduce, so they're both divisible by 3. That gives me a 9 and a 5. And then my a squared would go to the bottom, so I would have a 9, I'd have a 5. A squared and my a cubed would be an a to the 3 minus 2 power. My b to the 5th power would stay on the top, and then I'd have c to the 15 minus 9. So this would be 9b to the 5th over 5ac to the 6th power. And then the last one, everything to the 0 power is equal to 1. And that's it for all the odd number questions.